I allow myself to have whatever I want. I have the right to all the best in life. All my wishes come true. I expect only the best from life. I always bring happiness with me. I create whatever I think about. Dreams come true. I fill my life with the energy of prosperity. I radiate the light energy of love. A golden shower pours down on me from a boundless source of abundance. I attract money. My income is constantly growing. I breed money. I believe in the absolute power that creates my new abundant world. I believe in my strength. I believe in kindness, love and happiness. I believe that only the best awaits me. My faith in victory works wonders. Everything I do leads me to incalculable wealth and fabulous success. I am open to a constant flow of money. I thank the abundant universe for all blessings. I marvel at the bounty of divine love and abundance. I am worthy to enjoy the most luxurious things, and I gratefully accept them. I am happy every minute of my life. I am a divine creation, beautiful, immortal and free. I trust my intuition and boldly look to the future. I am always on the right path leading me to success, development and prosperity. All the old is gone. I lovingly allow myself to receive all the best from the treasury of life. I love my abundant and blissful world. I create my own beautiful world. From now on, I'm completely safe. I calmly and joyfully accept the abundant fruits of my new life. Communication with money brings me joy. I rejoice in my growing prosperity. I love luxury and beauty. All the best in this world is for me. Luck is the norm of my life. I choose joy and success. I trust my higher self. I know that everything comes to me at the right time and in the best way. My dreams are coming true. I can easily work miracles. I realize the value of my life. I am an important part in God's great plan of creation and I honor every moment of life. I allow the great energy of creation to enter me. From now on, I have a deep understanding. I see all events with the wise gaze of a calm and blissful deity.